Hi guys! How many of you brush your teeth every day? How many of you brush your dog's teeth every day? Well, if you don't, I'm certain that after today, you'll start brushing your dog's teeth on a daily basis. I'll be showing you how to properly brush your dog's teeth based on my own experiences doing it and some research that I have done. I'll be discussing brushing your dog's teeth. I'll be discussing the materials needed, the brushing process, and the many health benefits. First, start off with the materials needed. According to Amy Flowers in the web article called Tips for Brushing Your Dog's Teeth, published March 5th, 2020, states you'll need a toothbrush made for dogs, finger brushes, and dog toothpaste. I like going to PetSmart to buy these items, but you can go to any local pet store that you have near you. It's important to use dog toothpaste because dog toothpaste and normal human toothpaste are very different. The toothpaste we use is very harmful and toxic to dogs. Also, there's many different kinds of toothbrushes for dogs depending on the size. If you have a larger breed, it's better to use the long-handled brush, such as the orange one shown in the PowerPoint, or for smaller breeds, it's preferred to use the finger brushes, such as the green and the blue brush. However, my dog is a small breed and I like using the long handled brush because it has the two bristles, and the larger bristle is for big dogs and the smaller bristle is for smaller dogs. So you can also use the long handled brush if you have a small dog too. Now that I have discussed the materials needed, I'll be discussing the brushing process. Second, brushing your dog's teeth. You should start off by putting your dog in a relaxed, comfortable position. You're going to be brushing its teeth in its mouth, and it's not used to that, so your dog should be comfortable. You should also make your dog comfortable with the toothpaste. It's a different texture, it's a different taste, so it's not used to it. What I like doing is putting a pea-sized amount on my finger and letting my dog sniff it and lick it and see if she likes it. Next, you should lift up your dog's mouth and begin brushing. According to the web article from Hills by an unknown author published October 30th, 2019, called Tips for Keeping Your Dog's Teeth Clean and Healthy, states you should put your finger brush on your finger or have your toothpaste on your toothbrush and put your brush at a 45-degree angle and begin brushing in circular motions. You should brush in circular motions all around the outer teeth of your dog. You don't need to brush the inside of your teeth because your dog's tongue will take care of that. Now that I have discussed the process of brushing your teeth, I'll discuss the many health benefits it has of brushing your dog's teeth on a daily basis. Lastly, the many health benefits. If you brush your dog's teeth every day, it helps prevent the buildup of plaque and tartar. According to the web article published on February 28, 2019 by Puppy Leaks by an unknown author titled The Benefits of Brushing Your Dog's Teeth Every Day, states that if you leave tartar intact, it can spread to the gum line and it could lead to gingivitis and periodontal disease. Brushing your dog's teeth can also prevent bad breath. No one likes that nasty dog breath. And also prevent major health conditions such as kidney and liver disease. In conclusion, I have discussed how to properly brush your dog's teeth by discussing the materials needed, the brushing process, and the many health benefits. According to the web article by Animal Planet by an unknown author and no publishing date, called Dental Care for Dogs, Tips and Tricks, support the idea that dental care for dogs is very overlooked. No one really pays attention to the dental care of your dog. However, it's very important. They're like humans. Just like you need care for your teeth, they need care for your teeth. Hopefully, after today, if you didn't brush your dog's teeth before, hopefully you can could lead to a happy, healthy